Hey gems, it's Cinderella OG and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this Ishow wig. It was bundles made into a wig. All of the hair information will be in the description box down below. And I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step at my new stylist, Laid by Slay. Y'all go ahead and follow her. But I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step of how she went ahead and installed my hair, cut it into this blunt, cute bob and everything. And yeah, so I hope you guys, can grab your notebooks and your pencils and take some notes because she is going to be slaying my hair. I mean, it's all in the name, Laid by Slay. And a big shout out to Ishow Hair for this beautiful turnout for this wig. Like, it looks amazing. So y'all go ahead and check out Ishow Hair and get you some bundles, boo. And they're affordable. They're affordable or whatever. But let's go ahead and get into the video. So, of course, she started off by cornrowing my hair. And when I tell you guys, baby, the way she cornrowed my hair, it was so flat. I mean, they're still into this day. And, they're really, really flat. And she said that she actually does them really, really flat so that your hair can look like scalp when it's on. And you guys definitely saw that as proof in the previews and before. And you're going to see that throughout the video as well. The hair lays down so well. So let's go ahead and continue. So after she braids down the hair, she's going to put on some glue on my hair so that I can get that cap down and secure. Now this cap, I mean, it's not coming off. It's not coming off. I didn't show this part, but she did sew it right on the sides of my braids, only on the sides. And then she had the glue on for the rest of the cap, and that helped it stay down literally the entire time. After that, we went ahead and cut off all of the excess wig cap because, we don't need everything. We don't need all of it.
Competition champ. Ooh, that pussy gets damp.
And now it's time to measure the wig, or measure the frontal of the wig, so that we can see where exactly it's going to be placed on my head. And this part has to be precise. I mean, I almost got muscles for how long she made me hold down the wig. I didn't include that part because, man, I don't think you guys want to see 2 hours of me holding down a wig. I mean, I'm over exaggerating clearly, but I held down the wig for her to get that precise cutting to make it look like scalp.
You turn me
Fuck it up, kitty cries.
Back, y'all, Betty blowing everybody's mind. She can make it stop out of that behind. Back, Betty's bad, ass and boobs. Talks all the jive in the interviews. Bold now, stacker, gotta wait your turn. Scott stock in the box to make your pockets turn. She rides fast cars to the bar. We all try to hit but never make it far. And it's stilettos.
So finally, she went ahead and bonded on that wig. I'm not exactly sure what. So finally, she bonded on that wig, and I'm not exactly sure what she used to put on the wig, but she bonded that wig, and when I tell y'all, it wasn't going nowhere. Like, it went nowhere. And, I'm not used to wearing my wigs for more than a day, but I was forced to this time. I was forced to, and I had no complaints because the hair looked amazing, as y'all can see. So after she went ahead and did that, we went ahead and had some baby hairs. And I like how she does her baby hairs for me. They weren't too dramatic. They weren't too flamboyant. They weren't doing a lot, They weren't screaming on my forehead. And I loved how she did my baby hairs. So she slayed my baby hairs as well.
perdí, me fui contra la corriente y también me perdí. Fracasé, me encontré, lo viví y aprendí. Cuando te pega fuerte, más profundo es el beat, sí. Sigo bailando y escribiendo mis letras. Sigo cantando con las puertas abiertas, atravesando por todas estas tierras. Y no hay que viajar tanto para encontrar la respuesta. Que no te preocupes si no te aprueban. Cuando te critiquen, tú solo di: soy yo. A mí me gusta estar en la arena, bañarme en el mar sin razón, sin problema. Estar sentada sin hacer nada, mirando de lejos y estar relajada. Que no te preocupes si no te aprueban. Cuando te critiquen, tú solo di: soy yo.
And here is the grand reveal. Y'all, when I tell you this is probably my best install ever, like top 3, top 2, and it's not number 2, okay? Like probably the best install I've ever had in my life. And you guys can see the reaction right here.
Oh my gosh! Wow, the camera didn't even do it justice. Wow. Oh my god. She used to this. No, girl. No. This is like
Yes, shake, bitch. I said, and it shakes. So as y'all can see, it's looking like scalp, and I'm looking so succulent. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed and beautiful, and I love you so much, gems. Bye.